In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use checklists in TickTick. Think of the Today view as your daily checklist hub, where everything you need to focus on is gathered in one clean, actionable list. Start by opening TickTick and heading to the Today section. If you're not already there, click Today in the sidebar to make sure you're looking at the tasks scheduled for the current day. This keeps your attention on what matters now and prevents your list from ballooning with future work. Next, add a new item to your checklist. Click Add Task and type in a clear, action-oriented title. Keep it short and specific so you'll recognize it at a glance. Once you've named the task, look to the right side of the task row to set a date. Even if it's for today, setting a date ensures it appears in the correct view and stays on your radar. Now add time details. Click Time to choose a specific hour. This is especially helpful if your checklist includes items that must happen at certain moments, like a call or a deadline. Select on time to make sure the task is due at the exact time you've picked. This also helps TickTick trigger timely reminders, nudging you when it's time to act rather than leaving everything floating in your day. If this task repeats, say a daily review or a weekly report, click Repeat and choose a cadence that fits. Recurring items turn your checklist into a reliable routine so you don't have to recreate the same task over and over. When you're satisfied with the details, click OK to confirm. You now have a neatly scheduled item in your Today checklist, complete with date, time, and repeat settings if you need them. As you move through your day, the most satisfying part is checking things off. When you finish the task, click the checkbox next to it. That instant check mark is your visual confirmation that the work is done, and TickTick will mark the task as completed. Completed tasks help you track progress without cluttering your active list, making it easier to stay focused on what's next. A few quick tips to keep your checklist effective. Name tasks with clear verbs, break bigger goals into separate items across your day, and be realistic about how many time-specific tasks you schedule. The Today view works best when it reflects what you can actually accomplish. That's the core workflow. Go to Today, add your task, set the date and time, choose Repeat if needed, click OK, and check it off when you're done. Simple, clear, and designed to keep your day moving smoothly.